What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shoutout mga ka-18. We are going to do a reaction video for the Visa performance of SB19 sa Aurora Music Festival. I'm so excited to check this out. But before I proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys.
Fun, right? Right?
Yes!
So kailangan pumarty
Ang
tayo
pogi ni
lahat, tama
Josh.
ba? Deserve natin to, di ba?
Yes, may pakilikili. Oh my God, ang kinis!
For next
Grabe ang kinis na kilikili ni Josh, guys. Eh! Oh my God, there's Stel! Sana may pa-abs ulit si Stel. Pero parang naka-ano siya. Ay, may pa-crop top. Pa-mask-off. Eh! Grabe, ang dami na palang tattoo ni Ken. Oh my God, ang pogi ni Josh. Grabe. Lakas ng dating. Bagay talaga sa kanyang blonde hair. Eh. Grabe yung vocals ni Tom. Oh my God, grabe si Stel. Sarap. Ay, sorry naman. Justin talagang very wholesome. Grabe yung pa-biceps ni Stel, guys. So, talaga naman, may pa-peak sa abs. Ooh, oh my God. Kakainis. Grabe, sarap. Charis. Ang ganda ng damit niya. Diba? Napaka-wholesome pa din ni Justin. Hindi ko siya makitang iba. Charet. Grabe. Hot din Oh my God, guys. Grabe din ang pakilikili ni Ken. Kinis! Reaction ba talaga to ng kanta or ano? Charat. God, may pag-garter ng grip si si Stel. Grabe niya yung message ng kanta natin about yung pag-support ng kapwa Pinoy. Oo, kailangan mag-viral ka muna bago ka supportahan. Charet. Oh, love that yung fart effect dun sa LED. Love the visuals. Grabe yung voice of Miguel. Diba? Ang astig. Oh, look at that kilikili, guys. Oh my gosh. May hiya talaga yung fest ng iba. Charet. Grabe yung performance. High level talaga. Diba? Grabe, hindi sa mga kilikili. Oh my God. Gusto ko yung ginawa ni Josh doon. Charis. Hubad na yung pantalon ni Ken. Pauso niya yan talaga for today's video. Hey! Oh my gosh! Grabe, sobrang sarap. Charit, sobrang galing. I love the energy. Every time they're performing this, parang iniiba talaga nila yung vocals, no? Talagang pinapakita na this is live vocals, guys. Grabe, yung pag-iba ng version ng how they sing it, talaga para marinig mo talaga it's a live vocal. Plus, grabe ang sayaw, grabe yung energy, at talaga naman yung may mga pa-abs, pa-biceps, at ngayon pa-kilikili na napakakikinis. Oo, grabe. Nalito ako ng bongga kung sino ang bias ko for today's video. Pero syempre, super loyal tayo kay Stell. Oo, kasi iba talaga ang ating Stell from vocals to visuals naman talaga. Stell talaga tayo forever. But I love SB19 so much. Talaga naman super support tayo sa kanila. And tulad nga nung napanood ko sila kay Ninong Rai, yung tinanong sila si Pablo about visa, kung ano yung message talaga and why he wrote the song or why they wrote the song. So, ang ganda ng meaning, ang ganda ng point nila na as a Filipino, no, kailangan talaga maging, lalo na sa entertainment, sa singing, kapag nakikilala internationally, saka lang sinusuportahan. Oo, ganun. Tapos, pagdating naman sa mga reaction video na ganito, guys, kung sino mga foreigner, yun na sinusuportahan ng mga Pinoy. 'Di ba? Ganun kasi yung mentality natin eh. Kaya kahit nasa Malaysia ako, may visa ako, guys. Charot lang, charot lang. Pero of course, I feel your support, guys, and those who are really supporting reaction videos as well of local Filipinos, sobrang na-appreciate natin yan. And of course, hindi naman dahil we're supporting SB19 recently. We supported them since they started, guys. You can see our channel history and we love SB19 from the start. And we're so proud kahit saan man sila mapunta. Kahit walang visa, guys. We love SB19. At grabe yung umiiyak pa ako sa mga reaction ko dati. Grabe yung kasi yung pinagdaanan nila, guys. Kung alam nyo lang, lalo na sa mga bagong 18 dyan. Kasi yung iba naman kasi, di ba, naging 18 bigla. Ganon. Pero, syempre, we love everybody who's supporting SB19. And ano masasabi niyo doon? Dami kong kuda for today's video. Comment down below. Kasi meron akong hugot for today. Kaya naman, comment down below. Let's discuss in the comment section. Of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.